The Pacific Ocean is preparing for a major shift. By the end of 2025, climate scientists are predicting the return of La Nina, a powerful oceanic phenomenon that will not just cool the Pacific Ocean but also bring a chill to India's winter. Many of us hear these words El Nino and La Nina in the news, especially when talking about rainfall or monsoons. But what exactly are they? Why do they occur? And most importantly, how will they affect India and the world in the coming year? Let's understand this in detail. To understand El Nino and La Nina, we need to look at the Pacific Ocean. Normally, strong trade winds push warm water westward towards Indonesia and Australia, while along the coast of South America, cold water from the deep ocean rises up to the surface, a process called upwelling. This balance keeps global weather patterns stable. Now, during El Nino, these trade winds weaken. Warm water moves eastwards. The Pacific Ocean heats up, and this changes rainfall and wind patterns all over the globe. On the other hand, La Nina is the complete opposite. Here, the trade winds become stronger. More cold water rises near South America, and the Pacific Ocean cools down. Here's the difference in a simple way. El Nino, the warm phase. Ocean condition. Surface waters in the central and eastern Pacific become warmer than normal. Air circulation. Weakening of the trade winds, winds that blow from east to west across the Pacific. La Nina, the cool phase. Ocean condition. Surface waters in the central and eastern Pacific become cooler than normal. Air circulation, stronger trade winds pushing warm water towards Asia. Impact on India. For India, La Nina has mixed consequences. On the positive side, our La Nina year generally means a good monsoon. Farmers benefit, reservoirs fill up, groundwater gets replenished, and agricultural output improves. This can also help control food inflation. But La Nina also brings challenges. Heavy rains increase the risk of floods, landslides, and damage to crops. Apart from it, northern side gets more chilled. The Himalayas receive heavy snowfall. Cold air also worsens pollution in the Indo-Gangetic plains because pollutants get trapped close to the ground. So while agriculture may benefit, public health and disaster management systems are put to the test. Let's see the impact of La Nina on Indian region closely. During La Nina winters, India usually faces colder than normal conditions. But the intensity varies across regions northwest and North India states, including Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh are most affected. These areas experience severe cold waves, dense fog and frost. Cold air from the Himalayas pushes south and western disturbances bring snow or rain, intensifying the chill. In central India, states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra are moderately cold. Here nights get colder than usual with widespread fog and frost in rural areas. In eastern India, states like Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal experiences colder nights but not as harsh as the northwest. Fog is common. Southern India region includes Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana are least affected. Here winters are mild. Temperatures dip slightly but rarely become extreme. However, hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal and Coorg do get chillier. In terms of rainfall, when La Nina forms, rainfall in India is not uniform. Some regions get more than normal while others may not see much change. Central India. States like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. These regions usually record above normal monsoon rains, boosting agriculture. In eastern India states including Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal. La Nina often strengthens the Bay of Bengal branch of the monsoon, bringing more rain and sometimes floods. In northeast India, the states including Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura receives heavy rainfall and floods are common here in La Nina years. The northwest and northern India states like Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi receives little rainfall. Now the big question. Why are climatologists saying La Nina will return by late 2025? Well, agencies like NOAA in the US and the Indian Meteorological Department are tracking changes in the Pacific Ocean. They've observed that the subsurface ocean water is cooling faster than usual, trade winds are strengthening, and computer models suggest that there's more than a 70% chance of La Nina forming by October to December 2025. Let's have an eye upon the global impacts. La Nina doesn't just affect India, it shapes global weather. Countries in South America often face droughts, while Southeast Asia and Australia get heavy floods. In the US, winters can become wetter and stormier. The global food market also feels the shock because crops like soybeans, maize, and wheat are affected differently in different regions. From this, we get to know that Pacific Ocean may be far from us, but its rhythm decide the global weather. That's why understanding ENSO cycle is important. With this, we have completed the most hyped topic. If you liked the video, give it a like and comment down your thoughts. Stay focused, stay updated. Thank you.